Hello everyone, welcome to our physical education YouTube channel. My name is Suresh. Today we are going to learn about planning in sports, part 2, CBSE class 12. Today we are discussing about tournaments. Planning in sports, part 2, tournaments, knockout tournament, league tournament, round robin tournaments, round combination tournament. Combination tournaments again 4 types: league come knockout, knockout come league, knockout come knockout, league come league. First discussing about knockout tournament. See this picture, knockout tournament. First here taking 7 teams, total teams 7. How to draw picture? 7 teams. See 7 teams. How to divide upper up and lower up? Already previous class discussing about power up 2 and non power up 2. See upper up 4 teams, lower up 3 teams. See once again, total teams total team 7. Number of matches n minus 1. Total 6 matches. Buys, how many buys? Next 7. Next power up to 8. 8 minus 7, 1 by. One by. Next, how to divide upper up? N plus 1 divided by 2. 7 plus 1 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. 4 teams upper up. This is upper up. Lower up n minus 1 divided by 2. 7 minus 1 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 equal 3 teams lower up. By only 1 by, always bottom, lower of the bottom, first by. Okay, draw picture. Upper of 4 teams, lower of 3 teams. First by, lower up, bottom. First match, first and second. Second match 3 and 4. Third match 5 and 6. Next match, this is first round. Second round, first round winners go to second round. This is second round, third round. See, total number of teams 7. Number of matches 6. See count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 matches. Next one more. Okay, 17 teams. 17 teams. Number of teams 17. Number of teams 17. Number of matches, number of matches 17 minus 1, total 16 matches. How many buys? 17. Next power up to 32. 32 minus 17. 32 minus 17. 15 buys total. First, how to divide upper up and lower up. N plus 1 divided by 2. Total teams 17 plus 1 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2. 9. Upper up 9. Lower up n minus 1 divided by 2 equal 17 minus 1 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. Lower up 8 teams. How to divide bys? Upper up how many bys? Lower up how many bys? Total bys 15. By minus 1 divided by 2. Total bys 15 minus 1 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2 equal upper up 7 bys. Next, lower up. By plus 1 divided by 2. Total bys 15 plus 1 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 equal 8 bys lower up. So you can easily find out upper up 9 teams, lower up 8 teams. Lower up 8 teams already 8 bys. Upper up 9 teams 7 bys playing only one match first round. Okay, draw picture how to. Okay, 17 teams tournament, knockout tournament picture. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Upper up teams 9, lower of 8. How many bys? Total 15 bys. First by lower up bottom. Second by upper up top. Third by lower up top. Fourth by upper up bottom. Like this only. Next, fifth by 16. Lower up bottom. Next by upper up top. Seventh by lower up top. Eighth by upper up bottom. Next by lower up bottom. Next by upper up top. Next by lower up top. Next by upper up bottom. Next by lower up bottom. Next by upper up top. Next, last by 15th by lower up. First round playing 5 and 6. First round playing 5 and 6. Second round, first and second, third and 4. Eight and 9, 10 and 11, 12 and 13, 14 and 15, 16 and 17, 6 and 7. This is second round. Third round, winners only go to next level. Fourth round or semi-final. Fifth round. See count. Total teams 17. Number of matches 16. Count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total matches 16. Next, one more example. 25 teams. Last knockout tournament, one example. 25 teams. First, how to divide upper up and lower up teams. First, number of teams 25. Number of byes. First, number of matches. Total teams 25. Number of matches 24. Next, number of byes 25. Next power up to 32. 32 minus 25, 7 byes. Total 7 byes. Okay, how to divide upper up and lower up? N plus 1 divided by 2. Number of teams 25 plus 1 divided by 2. 26 divided by 2. 26 cancel. 13. Upper up 13 teams. Lower up n minus 1 divided by 2. 25 minus 1 divided by 2. 24 divided by 2. 12. Lower up 12 teams. How to divide byes? Total 7 byes. How to divide? Upper up how many byes? Lower up how many byes? Upper up byes by minus 1 divided by 2. Total byes 7 minus 1 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. Total 3 byes upper up. Next, lower up how many byes? Lower up byes by plus 1 divided by 2. Total byes 7. 7 plus 1 divided by 2 equal 4 byes lower up. Okay, next draw picture. Total 25 teams. Total teams 25. Upper up 13 teams. Lower up 12 teams. Upper up how many byes? 3 byes. Lower up 4 byes. Okay. Okay, first by lower up, bottom. Second by upper up, top. Third by lower up, top. Fourth by upper up, bottom. Fifth by lower up, bottom. Sixth by upper up, top. Seventh by lower up, top. Okay, first round 3 and 4 playing, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. Lower up 16 and 17, 18 and 19, 20 and 21, 22 and 23. This is first round. Second round playing first and second. This is second round. Third round. Fourth round, semi-final. Fifth round, final. See, count how many matches total. Total teams 25. Number of matches 24. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 22, 23, 24. Total 24 matches. Okay, next go to league or round robin tournament. What is the league? League means winners or losers continuously playing. Winners 2 points, losers 0 point, match tie or match draw, equal 1 point. See, this is league tournament staircase method and cyclic method. First discussing about staircase method. See this picture, total teams 7 teams are there. Next I will take 9 teams. Total teams 9, 1, 5, 1 playing 6, 1 playing 7, 1 playing 8, 1 playing 9. This is first round. Second round 2 already playing 1, 2 playing 3, 2 playing 4, 2 playing 5, 2 playing 6, 2 playing 7, 2 playing 8, 2 playing 9. This is second round. Third round 2 already playing 1, 2 already playing 3. Next 3, 3 already playing 1, 3 already playing 2, 3 not playing 4. 3 playing 4, 3 playing 5, 3 playing 6, 3 playing 7, 3 playing 8, 3 playing 9. Next round 4 also playing, 4 playing 1, 4 playing 2, 4 playing 3, 4 playing 5. Next round 4 playing 6, 4 playing 7, 4 playing 8, 4 playing 9. Next round 5, 5 playing 6, 5 playing 7, 5 playing 8, 5 playing 9. Next, sixth round, 6 already playing, 5 playing 6, 6 already playing 5, 6 playing 4, 6 playing 3, 6 playing 2, 6 playing 1. Next, 6 playing 7, 6 playing 8, 6 playing 9. Next round, 7, 7 already playing all teams, remaining 8 and 9. 7 playing 8, 7 playing 9. Next, last round, 8, 8 already playing all teams with without only 9. 8 playing 9. This is finish. Playing each one match. See, 9 playing all teams. 9 playing 1, 9 playing 2, 9 playing 3, 9 playing 4, 9 playing 5, 9 playing 6, 9 playing 8. This is staircase method. Staircase method. Next one more cyclic method. Example, 6 teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, this is first round, cyclic method. Next, second round. 1 staying there only. 6 go to second place. 6 second go to third place. 3 goes to fourth place. 4 goes to fifth place. 5 goes to sixth place. Like this. This is cyclic method. Third round, 1 standing there only. 5, 6, 2, 3, 4. This is third round. Fourth round, 1, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3. Next, fifth round, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. This is fifth round. Sixth round, 1. Already sixth round also same first round. This is no need sixth round. This is cyclic method. Example, 5 teams, 7 teams are there. How to conduct the tournament? See example, 7 teams are there. If give to first buy. Example, 7 teams, first give buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this. This is first round. This is add numbers. Second round, buy 7 go to first place. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 go to fifth place. 5, 6. This is second round. Third round, buy 6 go to seventh place. 7, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is third round. Fourth round, buy 5 go to sixth place. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 round overs. Next, fifth round, by 4 go to fifth place. 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Sixth round by 3 go to fourth place. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. This is sixth round. Last round, seventh round by second goes to 3 place. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. This is cyclic method. Next, combination tournament. Combination tournament means both are mix or merged. League cum knockout. Both are mix. See this picture. First league, best 4 teams selected, again playing knockout. Example, total 6 teams are there. Best 4 teams. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is best 4 teams. Next playing to knockout. Example, okay, playing a staircase method, 6 teams. First round, second round, already 1 playing each teams. Second round, 2 playing 3, 2 playing 4, 2 playing 5, 2 playing 6. Third round, 3 playing 4, 3 playing 6, 3 playing 6. Fourth round, 5 playing 4, 4 playing 5, 4 playing 6. Fifth round, 5 playing 6. Here best 4 teams. You selected example. Okay, 1 is best team. 3, 5, 1, 6. This 4 teams best. These 4 teams playing knockout. First match 1 and 3. Second match 5, 1, 6. Winners again. This is final. Like this. Next, knockout cum league. First conducting the tournament knockout, you selected best 4 teams, or who is coming semi-final 4 teams, you selected the league. Example, you selected 4 teams. First 8 teams knockout tournament. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Upper up 4, lower up 4. First round, second round, see example, first round winner 1, second round winner, first round winners. First round winners. Second round, best 4 teams selected already. Best 4 teams 1, 4, 5, 8. This 4 teams playing league. 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 8. Second round 4, 5, 4, 8. Third round 5, 8. Playing league. knockout come league. Next, knockout come knockout. See, playing first knockout, you selected best 4 teams, again playing knockout. Example, you selected, you take 12 teams, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 teams, total teams 12, you selected best 4 teams. You taking 12 teams, how many buys? 12, next power up to 16. 16 minus 12, 4 buys. Upper up 6, lower up 6. Buys, first buy, lower up bottom, second buy, upper up top, third buy, lower up top, fourth buy, upper up bottom. First match, second match, third match, fourth match. Second round, next year winners 2, year winner 6, 8, year 11. Best 4 teams 2, 6, 8 and 11. Again playing knockout. First match playing 2 and 6. Second match 8 and 11. Final. Example, winner 2, winner 11. Playing final. Winner 2 is a winner. Like this. Next, league come league. See, first staircase method taking total 7 teams. Again playing league. You selected best 4 teams. Example, you taking total 6 teams. One playing 6. Second round, second playing 3, second playing 4, second playing 5, second playing 6. Third round, 3 playing 4, 3 playing 5, 3 playing 6. Fourth round, 4 playing 5, 4 playing 6. Fifth round, 5 playing 6. Next, you best selected 4 teams. Next playing league. Example, 1 best teams 1, 2, 3 and 5. Again playing league. 1, 2 playing 3, 2 playing 5. Third round, 3 playing 5. This is league come league. Next, seeding. How to find out seeded teams? Example, last year or previous year, winners or runners are winners, runners, third place and fourth place. Example, 12 teams. Next power up to 16. Upper up 6, lower up 6. How to give seeded? Seeded means last year winner or runner or third place and fourth place. Example, 4 seeded teams. Seeded or by. Last year winner, lower up, bottom, 12. Last year winner. Last year runner, upper up, top. Third place, lower up, top. Fourth place, upper up, bottom. Like this. This is seeded. This is last year winners and runners. This is first round. Sometimes these seeded teams go to quarter final or semi final directly, or directly go to second round. First match 2 and 3. Second match 4 and 5. Third match 8 and 9. Fourth match 10 and 11. This is first round. Second round, this is second round. Third round, next final. This is fourth round. Okay, next discussing about MCQ questions. First, what is the planning? Planning means deciding in advance what is to be done or before planning. Second question, what is the role of technical committee responsible for the technical conduct? Question number 3, what is elimination tournament? Elimination means knockout. Knockout means elimination. Question number 3 already over. What is the elimination tournament? Knockout. For question number 4, how many buys are given in knockout tournament when 13 teams are participating? How many buys? Say example, total teams 13, next power up to 16. How many buys? 3 buys. Next question number 5, 20 teams are participating in the knockout tournament, then how many matches will be conducted? How many matches? See example, total teams 20 minus 1. Total 19 teams. Question number 6, how many buys are given in league tournament when 8 teams are participating? 8 teams are participating, no buys. This is even number. Next, question number 7. In knockout tournament, 31 teams are participating, then how many teams will be in fourth quarter? How many teams? Fourth quarter. Example, total teams 31. First divide upper up and lower up. How many teams? Upper up 16, lower up 15. You divide upper up, again divide 16. 8, 8. First half 18, 8 teams. Second half 8 teams. Next third half or third quarter. Third quarter divide 5. Sorry, 15. 15 divide upper half 8, lower half 7. Total fourth quarter 7 teams. Next question number 8. Intramural derived from which words? Intramural derived from the which words? Intramuros. Next question number 9. What do we mean by intramural tournament? Inter classes. Same campus or same college or same school. Inter classes or inter house. Next question number 10. Other name of round robin tournament. Other name round robin tournament, league. League or round robin tournament. Question number 11. Objectives of planning. to improve sports performance. Next, question number 12, role of finance committee to see about finance. Question number 13, advantages of knockout tournament. Advantages, less number of officials required. Formula for giving by power of 2. Power of 2 teams 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, etc. Next, last question. When National Sports Day is celebrated? August 29. Thank you all.